Welcome to VOXLY English. Let's get started.
Hello, and welcome to VOXLY English. I am Sophia, and I am so happy you are here today.
Hi everyone, I am Liam. This is a slow English podcast for A1 and A2 learners. We speak slowly and we explain everything.
Today, we have a very useful topic. We are going to talk about visiting the doctor.
Sometimes we feel sick and we need to see a doctor, but explaining our problem in English can be difficult.
Do not worry. After this episode, you will know how to make an appointment, talk to the doctor, and get your medicine.
Let us start with some important places and people.
When you are sick, where do you go? You go to the doctor's office. This is where your doctor works.
A clinic is similar. It's a small medical center with doctors and nurses.
A hospital is bigger. Hospitals are for serious problems, but today we are talking about small, everyday problems.
When you arrive, you go to reception. This is the front desk. Then you sit in the waiting room until the doctor calls you.
After you see the doctor, you might go to a pharmacy. Some people say drugstore. This is where you buy medicine.
Now let us talk about people. You are the patient. The patient is the person who is sick.
The receptionist works at the front desk. They help you make appointments.
The nurse helps the doctor, and the pharmacist gives you medicine at the pharmacy.
Let's practice these words together. Listen and repeat.
Doctor's office,
Waiting room.
pharmacy,
Patient.
receptionist.
Good. Now you know the basic places and people.
Sophia, do you remember last winter when you were sick?
Oh yes, I had a terrible cold. I went to the clinic near my house. I waited in the waiting room for 20 minutes.
That is normal. Waiting rooms can be boring.
Very boring, but I practiced my English vocabulary in my head.
That is a good idea. Dear listener, you can do that too.
Now, let's learn how to say you are sick. This is very important.
The simplest way is to say, I do not feel well.
Or you can say, I feel sick. Both sentences mean you are not healthy today.
Then you need to explain your specific problem. We call these symptoms.
Listen to these common symptoms. I will say each one.
I have a headache.
I have a stomachache.
I have a sore throat.
I have a cough.
I have a fever. Fever means your body is too hot.
My back hurts.
I feel very tired.
I feel dizzy. Dizzy means your head feels strange and the room seems to move.
These are the most common problems. Let us practice some of them. Say these sentences out loud.
I have a headache.
I have a sore throat.
My back hurts.
I feel very tired.
Well done. Liam, have you ever felt dizzy?
Yes, once I had a bad flu. I felt dizzy and very tired. I stayed in bed for 3 days.
3 days? That's a long time.
It was not fun, but I drank a lot of water and I got better.
Water is very important when you are sick.
Now let us learn how to make an appointment. Before you see the doctor, you usually need to call or visit the reception.
You can say, I would like to make an appointment.
Or, I need to see a doctor.
If you need to see the doctor soon, you can ask, is there an appointment today?
Or, is tomorrow possible?
The receptionist will ask your name and phone number. They will give you a time.
Let us practice a short conversation. I will be the receptionist, Sophia will be the patient.
Hello, I would like to make an appointment.
Of course, what is your name?
My name is Ana Garcia.
And what is the problem?
I have a bad cough and a sore throat.
We have an appointment tomorrow at 2 p.m. Is that okay?
Yes, that is fine.
Please come 10 minutes early.
Thank you very much.
That was simple. Let us practice the key sentences. Your turn to say them.
I would like to make an appointment.
We have an appointment at 2 p.m.
Please come 10 minutes early.
Nice work. Now you can make an appointment in English.
When you arrive at the doctor's office, you go to reception first.
The receptionist might say, "Good morning. Do you have an appointment?"
Yes, I have an appointment at 10.
Then they say, "Please take a seat in the waiting room. The doctor will see you soon."
You sit and wait. Sometimes you wait a few minutes, sometimes longer.
Sophia, what do you do when you wait at the doctor?
I usually read something on my phone, or I just think about what I want to say to the doctor.
That's smart. It's good to prepare your sentences before you see the doctor.
Yes, think about your symptoms. How do you feel? When did the problem start?
These are important things to know.
Now, let's learn what happens in the doctor's office. The doctor will ask you questions.
The first question is usually, "What is the problem?" or "How can I help you today?"
You explain your symptoms. For example, I have a bad headache, or I have a sore throat and a cough.
The doctor might ask, "How long have you had this problem?"
You can say, I have had it for 2 days, or it started yesterday.
The doctor might ask, "Where does it hurt?"
You can point and say, it hurts here, or it hurts on my right side.
The doctor will also ask, "Do you have a fever? Do you have a cough?"
Answer honestly. Yes, I have a small fever, or no, I do not have a cough.
One important question is, are you allergic to any medicine? Allergic means your body reacts badly to something.
You can say, no, I am not allergic to anything, or yes, I am allergic to penicillin.
Let us practice a doctor conversation. I will be the doctor, Sophia will be the patient.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. Please sit down. What is the problem?
I don't feel well. I have a sore throat and I feel very tired.
How long have you had this problem?
About 3 days.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I have a small fever.
Do you have a cough?
Yes, I have a dry cough.
Are you taking any medicine?
No, I am not taking anything.
Are you allergic to any medicine?
No, I am not allergic to anything.
Let me look at your throat. Open your mouth, please. I see. Your throat is red. You have a cold. It is not serious.
That is good to hear.
That was a typical doctor conversation. Let us practice some key questions and answers. Listen and repeat.
What is the problem?
I have a sore throat.
How long have you had this problem?
About 3 days.
Try to say these sentences now. Think about your own symptoms.
After the doctor understands your problem, they will give you advice.
The doctor might say, you have a cold. It is not serious.
You need to rest. Drink a lot of water. Stay at home for 2 days.
Do not go to work tomorrow. These are common instructions.
The doctor might also give you medicine. Let us learn some medicine words.
A pill or tablet is a small piece of medicine you swallow. Cough syrup is liquid medicine for a cough.
A prescription is a paper from the doctor. It tells you what medicine to take. You take it to the pharmacy.
The doctor will explain how to take the medicine. Listen to these instructions.
Take 1 tablet 3 times a day.
Take this medicine in the morning and in the evening.
Take it after meals. Meals means breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Take it with water. Do not drive after you take this medicine.
Some medicine makes you sleepy, so you should not drive.
Let us hear the doctor give instructions. I am the patient. Liam is the doctor.
You have a cold. It is not serious, but you need to rest.
Okay, doctor.
I'm giving you a prescription. Take 1 tablet 2 times a day. Take it in the morning and in the evening.
Should I take it before or after meals?
Take it after meals and drink a lot of water. Stay home tomorrow. You should feel better in a few days.
Thank you, doctor.
Get well soon.
That was helpful. Let us practice the important sentences. Say them out loud.
Take 1 tablet 2 times a day.
Take it after meals.
Drink a lot of water.
Stay home tomorrow.
Good job. Now let us go to the pharmacy.
After you see the doctor, you take your prescription to the pharmacy.
The pharmacist will give you your medicine.
You can say, "Hello, I have a prescription," then give the paper to the pharmacist.
You can ask questions about your medicine. For example, how often should I take this?
Or, should I take it before or after meals?
You can also ask, does it make me sleepy?
The pharmacist will explain everything. They might say, take 1 tablet 3 times a day. Take it after food.
They might also say, it can make you a little sleepy. Be careful if you drive.
These are called side effects. Side effects are small problems that can happen when you take medicine, like feeling tired or sleepy.
Let us practice a pharmacy conversation. I am the pharmacist. Sophia is the customer.
Hello, I have a prescription from my doctor.
Hello, let me see. Okay, these are tablets for your cold.
How often should I take them?
Take 1 tablet 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, and evening.
Should I take them before or after meals?
After meals, and drink a lot of water. Does this medicine make me sleepy? It can make you a little tired, so be careful if you drive.
I understand. Thank you.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
That was easy. Let us practice the key phrases. Your turn to say them.
I have a prescription.
How often should I take this?
Take 1 tablet 3 times a day.
Get well soon.
Well done. Now let us practice 2 short conversations from start to finish.
The first one is making an appointment.
Hello, City Clinic.
Hello, I would like to make an appointment.
What is your name?
My name is David Chen.
What is the problem?
I have a bad stomachache.
We have an appointment tomorrow at 11 a.m.
That is perfect. Thank you.
Please come 10 minutes early. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Short and simple. Now let us do one at the doctor's office.
Good afternoon, doctor.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
I have a headache and I feel dizzy.
How long have you had this problem?
Since yesterday morning.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't think so.
Are you drinking enough water?
Maybe not. I have been very busy.
I think you need to rest more and drink more water. It's probably not serious, but if you still feel dizzy after 2 days, come back.
Thank you, doctor.
Get well soon.
Those were good conversations. Now let us do a quick practice together.
I will ask you some questions. Answer out loud like you're talking to a doctor.
First question. The doctor asks, "What is the problem?" Say, "I have a headache."
Your turn.
Next question. The receptionist asks, "Do you have an appointment?" Say, "Yes, I have an appointment at 10."
Say it out loud.
Last question. The pharmacist asks, "Do you have any questions?" Say, "How often should I take this medicine?"
Try to say it now.
Excellent work. You practiced real conversations.
Let us quickly review what we learned today.
To say you are sick. I do not feel well. I have a headache. I have a sore throat.
To make an appointment. I would like to make an appointment. Is there an appointment today?
The doctor asks, What is the problem? How long have you had this?
You answer, I have had it for 2 days. It started yesterday.
The doctor gives advice. You need to rest. Drink a lot of water.
For medicine, take 1 tablet 3 times a day. Take it after meals.
At the pharmacy, I have a prescription. How often should I take this?
And the pharmacist says, get well soon.
Now, here is your homework.
Write 4 sentences about the last time you were sick.
What was the problem? What did the doctor say? What medicine did you take?
Use the phrases from today and listen to this episode again to practice.
Thank you so much for listening to VOXLY English today.
You are doing a great job learning English. Keep practicing.
We believe in you. Take care of yourself and stay healthy.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye from VOXLY English.
Goodbye, everyone.